This plastic bottle was just used for a few seconds, but it takes 450 years to decompose in landfills. If people keep on using thousands of plastics every day, then imagine the effect of it to our environment, and it will cause global warming. Global warming started changing for a long time due to human activities, but we came to know about it in the last century.
Before we start, let's define global warming.
Global warming is the unusually rapid increase in Earth's average surface temperature over the past century, primarily due to the greenhouse gases released by people burning fossil fuels.
Based on the research of National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or also known as NASA, they said that global warming is real. And the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has declared scientific evidence for warming of the climate system is inequivocal. As NASA noted, the average global temperature is 0.8 Celsius, which is 1.4 Fahrenheit, since 1880. It has risen a lot more than it sounds, and about 2/3 of that rise happened over the past few decades. Do you think that global warming is harmful? Global warming is harmful because it affects the temperature of the Earth. Global warming is also very harmful to us humans because it can cause many health problems like cardiovascular and respiratory diseases. It causes environmental hazards like extreme weather, ozone depletion, increased danger of wildfires, loss of biodiversity, stresses to food-producing systems, and the global spread of infectious diseases. These are only one of the few reasons why global warming is very harmful to us. And according to IPCC, they said that it is extremely likely that human influence has been dominant cause of the observed warming since the mid-20th century. A major reason for this is the greenhouse effect, which is the process of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trapping the sun's heat, which causes the global temperature to increase. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation would escape into space. Did you know that burning of fossil fuels to produce electricity is the largest source of heat-trapping pollution? Coal burning, power plants, deforestation, natural gas drilling. Global warming has been very harmful to our environment for a very long period of time. We as human beings need to take care of it and make changes in our lifestyles. Here are some of the future effects of the global warming.
Global warming will worsen climate change, which is already taking place. Climate change will cause disturbance in weather patterns and lead to frequent and heavy floods in some places and severe droughts in others. Many forms of wildlife are now at risk since climate changes and deforestation are causing disappearances of their habitat. Stronger storms and hurricanes, increased flooding, and destruction of habitats. Cloud forests are dying, sea levels are rising, wildfires, diseases from poor quality of weather, infection disease outbreaks will be more common.
We are not too late to make a change. All we need is action.
Number 1. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reducing your need to buy new products result in a smaller amount of waste. Even if you need to buy, consider buying eco-friendly products. It is the most effective of the 3 R's. Number 2. Recycle your clothes. The average American throws away about 80 pounds of clothing a year. Fast fashion is not only wasteful, but its environmental cost is devastating. Number 3. Bring your own shopping bags. Because plastic bags are destructive to the environment. They take hundreds of years to break down, contaminate soil and waterways, and cause widespread marine animal deaths. Number 4. Turn off the lights if you're not using a room. There's no need for the light to be on. Number 5. Turn off electronic devices when you are moving out for a couple of days or more. Number 6. Turn off the faucet when not in use. Number 7. Replace the disposable for reusable.